Hello everyone! Kiwitaxi is an online booking service for private airport transfers in hundreds of cities worldwide. It's perfect for travelers who want a fixed price and a driver waiting for them, instead of haggling with taxi drivers or dealing with surge pricing on ride-hailing apps. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to save from this website without paying additional cost. But first of all, make sure to register by using a referral link in the description, because with this you will get discounts that you will not see on the platform. Now let's go deeper to see how actually you can benefit from the discount that the Kiwitaxi is already offering to you. To save money, first look for promo codes before booking. These can often be found on their website via their newsletters or through reputable coupon sites. Subscribing to their email list is a great way to get early access to limited time discount. If you're booking transfers both ways, reserve your round trip in one order. It's often cheaper than booking separately. Kiwitaxi also has a referral program, so if you invite friends or family to use the service, you can earn credits toward future rides. Now, for frequent travelers, it's worth checking if Kiwitaxi has loyalty rewards or repeat customer discounts. And finally, booking in advance, ideally at the same time you book your flights, can lock in the lowest prices before rates go up. With these tips, you'll enjoy a smooth, reliable transfer without overpaying, so you can start and end your trip stress-free. And of course, guys, make sure to use the referral link in the description. Otherwise, you will get discount, yes, but not as much as you can have with our link.